Allove hair. I so much love the hair. Yes, guys, because this hair, I needed to do something different, and I wanted to show to you guys how you can actually achieve your low ponytail with your sleek hair in front, like, so, just lay that hair to perfection. So guys, as you can see, this hair is absolutely cute. I so much love the way it's so sleek down. Like, you can actually use Allove hair to do this because they have everything, 100% virgin human hair. That is why I can actually achieve this hair, like this look. As you can see, it's so nice. Can't you tell it's 100% virgin human hair? You all know I always come with the best hair. So guys, I advise you all to go get this hair, go check them out, check the store link, check the direct link to this hair. They have everything. This is actually a low ponytail, as you can see. I'm just going to rock this because it's actually my first time doing such thing, and I think I actually love it with Allove hair, and they have everything you are looking for. So guys, thank you all, and I hope you guys will love this video. In case you want to see more videos from me, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell notification so that whenever I post, you could be the first to know. So guys, make sure you click down below details to this hair, and you would know what I'm talking about. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and also go check my Instagram at fakenicey. I'll be posting videos and pictures there. So guys, thank you for being part of me. Make sure you check Allove hair. They have everything you're looking for. I love this hair so much. As you can see, it came pre-plucked. I didn't do anything. I did the bleaching knot with my powder, and I hope you guys will love this. So guys, this is how this app actually looks like. So guys, thank you for being part of me today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.